I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 101 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're starting on the other door, Robin's door. We're looking at Louis the Lilac in Season 3, Episode 101. This is Louis the Lilac. Never heard of Louis the Lilac. Wants what all villains want, world domination, apparently. Yeah, don't know. It's the one where Batman and Robin risk ingestion by man-eating lilacs. Interesting. I wonder what Poison Ivy has to say about things like that. Thought she had the whole plants being evil thing sewn up. Anyway, The Cracks is the great Batman comic from Penguin. And we have Batman Detective Comics in 2018. Will she pull the trigger? We don't know. We'll find out. Well, we won't, because I'm not going to read it. But, you know, there we go. All about that. I quite like this art style. It's quite nice. And then classic cartoony. There we go. Obviously, she did say yes by the sounds of it. So, yes, this is what we're going to do. We're fitting the hinges to the right door. Doesn't take very long to do that. No time at all. We'll have the door started. So let's clear this out of the way and let's get on with it. So here we have the door. It's exactly the same as the other one, but just on the other side. We've got our two hinges and 3 screws, which I'm going to be using 2 of. Get those out of the packet like so. Put that with the others for spares. And we shall get these attached. Now, again, like the others, they've got a slightly chamfered internal piece, which goes on the outside. So that one goes down there. And the other one goes up there. Like that, a single screw through each screw and 2 pins hold it together. Nice and easy. That one in there. And that one in there. We've done all this before. It's just the same, but from the other side. So I'll get these tightened up and we will be done. So thank you very much for joining me on this journey of building the Batmobile from 1966. I shall see you for more very soon, and the next couple of issues are going to be putting this door together and getting that assembled, but then we get to do more things with the body fitting lights, I believe. So I'll see you for more of this very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.